With a vision to provide a platform for all the football lovers and to enhance the football spirit in Karbi Anglong districts in general, on 8th of November 2008, a group of football enthusiasts gave birth to a club which in today's time is popularly known as Karbi Anglong Morning Star Football Club.
The club had celebrated its 14th birth anniversary on 8 November at its head office premises located along Deepu Manja Road. Engineer Bikram Theron, General Secretary of Koms FC, took the honor to host the club flag and also briefed the history, achievements and goals of Koms FC on the occasion. Miji Crow, Chief Administrator of Koms FC, cut the anniversary cake to commemorate the celebration of 14 birth anniversaries of Koms FC. Within the span of 14 years, Koms FC had achieved many trophies, medals and cups. Also, at the same time, lost too many matches. But it didn't let the club dishearten as winning and losing are part of the games. The main aspirations of the club is to take it to the most prestigious football tournament of India, the I-League. But the journey from small tournament to the most prestigious tournament of India is not easy. Hence, Koms FC is not ready to give up, despite all the barriers and challenges standing ahead. Patience and persistency is the key. Therefore, time will tell us whether the dream of Koms FC will remain as a dream or turn it into reality. The members of Koms FC have been working with the club since the establishment of the club till today. And today, one could see the club standing is because of the collective efforts and contribution made by all the members of Koms FC. If committed and stand firm unanimously, there's nothing that could not be achieved. Wai Songwei, ex-captain and founder of Koms FC, expressed his heartfelt gratitude to all the members of Koms FC for being with the club through thick and thin.
Karbi Anglong Morning Star Football Club penengan surhinira na ke penengan peneng surhinira korahinian ke kan klip ki chok ani lo nasi itu la so ani pachiton nam sini itu member tom pen pin dadak itu mitanga club long mate itu mamithang ka khela ground along itu nasi tong sini itu lama ya taming thulo itu ma secretary pen job tadap apor bai sir ke apor choksi alang li pensi la lama thosi club teaching men kijut apor kimo tame alang li pen japsi han pachini bonlo.
Co-founders, members and well-wishers of Koms FC attended the celebration and made it a grand success. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.